email to parents, you're going to select Manage Parents area, Emails. This will give you a list of any emails that you've sent. You can view these by selecting the blue plus. To send the new email to parents, select here. You'll then see you've got a list of different options to who you want to send the email to. You've got all parents, parents of pupils in a specific class, parents of a specific child, or groups if you've got them set up. All you need to do then is just start at the top and work your way down. So I'm just going to pop a title in and just use this for the subject and also the header of my email. Just pop your content in here. And then you've got the option to add content blocks if you want to break the email up. You can also attach files by selecting Attach Your File here, and that's going to take you to your shared documents to select your file. Once you're happy, you're just going to click on Send Email to Parents. The parent email is then going to look a little bit something like this. You can arrange for the parents to reply to the email, and that's going to go to the email that's set up within your settings area. You can also view who's read and received the email. Just go to where your list of your emails are and then just select the blue plus. And you'll see who's read the email in green. It'll give you a red rate, and it will also show you any parents who haven't read the email or any parents who haven't received the email.